Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Do you want to know how power plant works? Let us understand this by taking one example. Have you seen water boiling in cooker? Yes, when you boil water in cooker whose lid is closed, will eventually form water vapor, which you can see when whistle blows. Yes, when you heat water above its boiling temperature, it will start getting converted to steam. Yes, in the same manner, when water inside drum of boiler is heated at very high temperature, it is converted to steam. Now, how to heat water inside drum? In coal-based thermal plant, heat is provided by heating coal inside furnace. Now, we cannot heat big size coal lumps easily, so they are converted into small size coal to crusher and then to powder using coal mill, as grain is powdered using mill used to make wheat bread. This coal is received from coal mines by a train or truck or coal belt, coal yard of power plant. Now, have you ever seen wooden sticks burnt or boiling water cooker in village? It is not only woods, it is also oxygen that is required for burning. In similar way, coal needs air to burn, so we need to provide air from atmosphere. Air is sucked using forced draft fan and given to furnace. Also, atmospheric air is sucked using primary air fan, which carries coal to furnace. The water used in drum is kept circulated inside furnace, and steam produced is sent to steam turbine. The steam rotates steam turbine. This steam turbine, when coupled to alternator, will rotate alternator, which will generate electricity. So that's it. We have understood basics of how does thermal power plant works. Let us see how actually power plant looks from inside, so you will get more insight about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will see few more details of power plant in next videos like water cycle, air path, etc.